pantali rin sila, oh. Nandito tayo kahapon eh. Pero nagsasoli tayo ngayon. Saturday, mga nagsasoli, oh. Ang dami. Mag-sign in ka muna doon. Tapos na ngayon. And then, tawagin ka over the phone. And May 3. Don't go on the weekend. Ang dami ang tao nagsasauli. Ito pala sa sauli namin. Nabasag. While en route pabahay. Pwede palang isauli. But if you're a member, a family member, ang tawag doon? Family member. Yan. Check out your IKEA family member. Yan. Puno. Yan, spare parts. So, libre. Checkin mo lang dito. Pwede kang kumuha. Spin the wheel. Family membership.
There it is.
Yes. There you go.
Come on, let's go gift card.
Go. You spin. You spin. Go spin. A free car. There goes a free car. There you go. Come on, free car. Free house and lot.
Gift
Oh, gift card. Yay. There you go. Gift card. What the heck? Thank you.
Pick one of those.
Good morning and happy meetings.
$10 gift card.
Oh, thank you. Thanks.
I got a $10 gift.
Yeah, Commander won a $3 gift card. Yay! Naka-gift certificate kami na $10 doon sa pre-spin. Because it's heyday, may mga pa-premyo, 50% off pati ano.
You would have to be a member.
Ayun nga lang. Kailangan membership.
There's no fee for the membership.
Wala namang gagawin sa bahay kaya maglakad-lakad tayo dito. Marami nga lang tao ngayon. $20. Yung ito malaki.
Yeah, and the small ones, 15.
Grabe yung presyo, no? Yun ang hindi natin nagawa sa Pilipinas kasi hindi tayo nakaikot sa IKEA. No time to go around. Pang gaming. Yan. Magandang pang gaming yan.
Just for the chair.
Just for the chair? Grabe naman. Yeah.
Yeah, we bought one for Turks and
Yung chair? $99 lang?
$99 lang.
Meron kami nito sa bahay. Magbili namin $69. Now it's $99 pero mas mataas yun dito. May isa pa ano. Parang manipis din ano. Itong salamin.
Yeah, makitid.
Makitid siya. Yan, talagang iba na ngayon. After pandemic, nag-iba na siya. At saka yung quality medyo nabawasan ng konti. Yeah, meron din tayo sa bahay nito eh. Ito glass. Now it's $25. Magkano bili natin?
And then,
Yung ganito.
we don't sell it.
Meron dyan. Nasa baba. Ayaw ni Commander yung gas. Dito tayo sa induction. Portable induction, $75. Ang gaan pa niya. Oh. Tinitignan ko, nakala, 120 volts eh. Kung dual voltage, nakabili na sana. Yan, the pay cover. Dati $70, ngayon $20 na lang. Oh. Okay. Good price. $4. Ito na ang hinahanap. Yan o, yan nasa ibabaw. Ito, this one. Yan yata yun. Ha?
Yeah.
Tingnan ninyo ang traffic compared kahapon. Oh. Wala. Nice weather, great food, good friends and stuff. Alright. Parang ano to, parang charcoal ano. This one. Are we checking out? Mapo ka muna, relax ka muna. Relax muna tayo dito. Sarap maupo. Chili dog naman. Medyo naklas ng konti. Because it's heyday, may discount pa?
May discount.
How much?
Or if you're a member.
If you're a member.
Yeah. So there's 67 cents. Instead of $3, it's $2.33.
It's nice. Did you get? Spin rock. What is a spin rock? Refill tayo ng kape. Meron pa naman pero pauwi na kami. Refill tayo. It's free. Green. Oh. Oh, refill din si Commander. Refill. Mami, we're here.
Hindi na ako bibili ice cream. Ito na lang.
Ano lang? Okay. What are you paying? Hindi na raw ice cream. Ice cream cake na lang ang binibili. Ayan. Ayan, kumuha ko ng hardware. I think kailangan ko doon sa isang cabinet. Libre naman. Libre itong mga hardware dito sa IKEA. Itong mama, marami na nakuha. Yan, uwi na ulit. Nagsauli lang kami. At saka we got some more stuff. Yan. Maraming libre. Maraming nakalibre. Ng $10 pati. Yan, pagkain. Nagpagupit kami pala kahapon. Good thing meron kaming coupon. It's $16.99. Ang regular what? $28 na. I can't believe it. Oo. Yung seniors may discount pero hindi pa kami seniors. 65 kasi yung seniors dito. So here it is. IKEA again. Bye for now. Bye-bye.